What's going on, guys? Got a Zippo unboxing for you today. This came directly from Japan, and I've been waiting for this for a while. Let's get to it. Here we go. For those of you who collect Zippos, I don't know if you know anything about Zippos from Japan. They are real. Zippo's biggest market outside of the US is Japan. So even a lot of Zippos that you've seen from my collection, they are Zippos directly from Japan. Japan is very big on their culture and their artwork, so their designs, their Zippo designs, are very different than the designs we get here in America. Now, my favorite, I'm a visual artist, my favorite type of art is Japanese art, so I love Zippos from Japan, and I cannot wait to see this. Whoa, that is so nice. Again, this is real, obviously. You get the authentic box. You do not find these Zippos here, and this Zippo is so dope. This is the Zippo of the anatomy of a Zippo. It's called Anatomy. I wish this would focus in. It's very detailed. Zippos from Japan are very intricate, very detailed. That's nice. It's a brass finish with this metal insert on the cover. On the case is a polished chrome. And that's nice. These Zippos tend to be a lot more pricey than the Zippos here in the US, all because of their design. Again, they're very intricate, very, very different than the ones we find here. And I will be adding this one to my case. This is dope. Well, let me know what you guys think. Take care.